Traveling in Germany is free, so you can travel to different cities. On weekends you can go everywhere, you can explore different cities, you can countries. There I've experienced like the professors do not even open a notebook. Last few days I have been asked to pitch it to the investors. Entire program is like a life-changing experience for me. I'm Kanak Agrawal and I'm currently pursuing my PGDM at ISME Bangalore in Business Analytics. I've basically joined this college for their exchange program. When I have got into the admissions, they have explained me that there are 2 exchange programs that they have, and I've always wanted to go to the international universities and experience how their education system works, how the industry there works. And with this I have got the opportunity. It's like dream come true. When I got in the contact with the admissions here, I've realized that no, this is the right university for me, because they are providing the dream that I have always dreamt of. Also, I have visited a lot of places, a lot of countries. As it might sound really surprising, but traveling in Germany is free, so you can travel to different cities. On weekends you can go everywhere, you can explore different cities, you can countries. I have visited around 4 countries: Switzerland, Italy, France, and obviously Germany. Many places around Germany. As I talk about my experience, it is very different from India. In India, in our education system, it is all basically theory. But there I've experienced like the professors do not even open a notebook. They don't ask you to open a notebook, or they don't ask you to open a book. They just give you practical examples, real world exposures, and it is all about practical examples. It is not about anything related to theory. Even I have met few people who are there for full time, and they have told me that their exams are not even theory. They don't even answer a single definition there. They only apply code because they were engineers, so they only apply code and they've got the results. I have started working on another idea of mine related to FinPilot AI that I've developed. It is an app that will help you get the financial reports, dashboards, revenues, and also the forecasting for your finances. It is basically finance and business analytics combining together. In India, many SMEs do not even have the funding to hire a CA. So this app will help them to just get through all the processes that CA usually do. Last few days, I have been asked to pitch it to the investors. They asked me that I need to pitch it to investors. I was really scared. I was like, I don't know if it is going to work or not. So I just went there really scared, but they were really good. They made me feel confident and they made me feel okay, and then I started pitching, and then at the end they said it is a really good idea. And if I have explained it according to the Indian market, because I am more aware of it, as German market is somewhere far from me. So I have explained it to them according to Indian market, and they said if I want to just explore it through and I want to go ahead with it, they want to invest in my project. Entire program is like a life-changing experience for me. I have met few people in my life that I don't think I will have met if I haven't gone there. And also it gave me a whole different perspective. It's like small things that we worry about in life usually doesn't matter, because there are a lot of different things going on in world that matters a lot, and you need to just work on yourself. It is not just your colleagues or your classmates that are your competition, or you need to go ahead of them. It is all of the world that is throwing difficulties at you, and you need to fight it through.